Hi everyone, welcome back to the bathroom. First thing I want to do is say my thank you. So thank you to Catherine for the super thanks, and thank you Sandra for the coffees. That was very kind, thank you very much. It's very much appreciated. So today's card is going to be using this memory box die 94244, and it's Perched Bird. I got it in the sale on Create and Craft. I don't often buy from Create and Craft, but they do memory box sales occasionally, which are very good. So I got it in a pack of others. So that's the one I'm going to use. I think I'm going to do him in white and leave him white, but I want a bit of a background, which I'm going to do in some oxides. Strange colours maybe. Will it work? Who knows? I'm going to do it. If I like it, I'll use it. If I don't, I won't. So that's the plan. Background, die. That's as far as I've got. So first thing I'm going to do is get this inked. Okay, now I don't want too much because it's only going to be a bit, so I'm going to do a circle around this as a guide, if I can find a pencil in amongst all this stuff that I haven't put away. There it is. So I want it about that big. Oops, one a bit wobbly, never mind. So I'm going to go green from the bottom, Twisted Citron at the bottom, Peacock feather in the middle, Wilted violet at the top. Let's get this started. I start off quite light, because like I said, I don't know what it's going to look like, but I can always darken it up in a minute. Okay, before we make a decision, I am going to cut it to see if we like it, because things look differently when they're cut. So let's get this cut, make sure he's up the right way. Actually, that's not cut right the way through. Let me run that through again. Oh no, it doesn't matter actually. We don't need it to be right the way through, because we're going to stick a white one on top. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get this cut in a few layers of white, and I'll be right back. Okay, to be fair, that die does not cut very well. Not through my machine anyway. I don't know whether it's just mine, but I did manage to run it through 3 or 4 times to get it to cut. So I've got, that is the very top layer, so I'll leave that there, and then I'm going to do a stacking. I did on the ones that didn't cut very well, I did manage to rescue these flowers, which I might stack up as well. So let's pop that away because I don't really need that anymore. And this is going to stick over there. So let's see if I actually like the background colours. And I do. Let's get that little bit out of there. So this was the area where it was struggling to cut, that sort of middle piece. So just here. But after going through, like I say, a few times, it did get a bit better. So I don't know how many layers I want to do of this. I think I might do the 3. Yes. Okay, let me get these stuck together. So that's going to go over there. So let's get that one on. Pop that under there a second, and with these ones, scissors, just going to cut the flowers off. Just thought I would see if they look good. It just popped up. So don't think it makes a huge difference. But I might as well do it now. I've cut them. I might also put some little jewels on there. These are fairy jewels from Memory Box, which were free in a little pack of dies from the sale. So we sort of stay in keeping with the colours I've already got, so we can either go with mauve. Go with that nice citron green, I think. So that's the one I'm going to do. So they're going to go in the little flowers. Just do some plain ones for those three. So there's a bit of bling on there. I've just got to think about the layout of the card now. Let me tidy up. Okay. I might put another matte layer on there. Let's have a look for a die. Okay, so these double stitch dies, this is the size I usually use. I think they are Presscut, but if you just look up double stitch dies, that means it will stitch the inside cut and the outside cut, which makes them a little bit more versatile. So I'm going to cut one of these. Let's see which one I want to do. Probably going to do that one. Let me get this cut. So stitched on the inside, so if you want to square with a stitch you can, and stitched on the outside, so if you wanted an aperture in your card it would be stitched as well. So let me put these away. Get this little card together. So I'm just going to basic layout that and that. Let me get them stuck together. So there's today's card. Quite a quick one today. With a little memory box bird. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you next time. Okay, bye.